Welcome. Today we're going to be making a new junk journal for winter of 2026. Now last year we made, this was our winter journal for last year, Cozy Winter Days, and it was the chosen gift for our last giveaway, which was at 425 subscribers. So this one is going to be the giveaway for our next, the gift, or one of the gifts that you could choose for our next video, our next giveaway, which will be at 600 subscribers. So help me get there quick so we can give away a book. Now this one was a regular junk journal, had 2 signatures with 96 pages. And it was rather big. It's a little bit harder to work in these books because you feel like you're never going to fill it up. So I've been making smaller ones. Now this one is only going to have, we'll be using 6 sheets of paper, which will give us 24 pages. A page meaning this size. When I say a layout, I mean both sides, this way and this way. But it will be a good size for a recent snow day that we had. Any photos that you took. Sledding, snowball fights, making snow angels, building a snowman. Maybe you took a ski trip for a few days. So that would fit very nicely, all your photos in this one book. So that's my purpose on making them smaller. And they're faster to make. Now it's going to be, like I said, 6 pages. These are my pages. We'll assemble that today. We'll put them in order. These are my 2 pieces, which will be the outside of the cover. By that I mean, you see on this one here, I had made a darker blue outer page. This will be, or this light blue will be the outside of the page. And this is going to be our cover. I'll print this in the proper size. I haven't printed that yet. So that's going to be our cover. Excuse me. Okay, so I have 2 sheets of this I printed. It's cardstock. We're going to glue them together and make our cover. And then I have these 6 pages, these sheets, printed double-sided, which we're going to put together in our as our signature. So let me see what's on these pages. This one is blank. Now this book is not going to have a lot of pockets and side tucks or whatever. This is more for photos. Photos and the journaling to go with them. Okay, so we have this page. This is our 3rd page. This is going to be the center of our signature, so we'll put that in last. This one says fun in the snow, so we'll put that, maybe I'll make that the 2nd page. Like that. And on the opposite side, it says snow days are the best days. And this one is another blank, so that can go there. Let's see. This one. We'll put this one as this one in here. Then we'll put a blank. Blank meaning there are no graphics on it or words. It just has the background. And this will be our center. And I didn't fold it yet. I thought I had this with blue on it. Wait a second. No, I'm going to have to print the back of that one because that can't be blank. I'll print the lighter background. Oh, here it is. Very good. That one I saved for decorating. So this is our centerfold. there. Has a few words on it. Let it snow. Has a snowflake background. I usually don't put anything on the centerfold. So those are our 6 pages. These are our cover sheets. These pages are all for decorating. Tags, pockets. And I have 2 pages. These are all printed on copy paper. Using my HP 7001, my trusty printer, which I started using that printer in December of 2022, December 1st. And the only thing I've had to refill so far was the yellow and the red. I haven't refilled the blue and I haven't refilled the black. And that's in over 3 years. Oh, I love that printer. It prints very well. These are the graphics I printed. These we'll cut them out, fussy cuts. We'll put them on the pages. And here are 2 pockets. And we'll make other pockets to go with it. And that's that and that. And that's it. These are all papers for decorating. Decorating tags, decorating the pockets. And that's all we need. I have a few labels I've cut out. We'll make a few more to put onto some of the pages. We'll make some pockets, some side tucks. But like I said, it's mostly going to be for photos. I also, where's my paper? I wrote up a list of little prompts that you can use when you run out of ideas. Here it is. I put snow angels, sledding, snowball fight, making a snowman, picture by a fireplace if you have one after the snow flake. Skiing. Did you go take a ski trip maybe? Having a hot cocoa after we come in from the snow. Hot cocoa and cookies, or a bowl of soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. Cuddling under warm blankets to get warm. Fuzzy socks that we put on to keep our feet warm after we come in from the snow. Warm slippers. So this just gives you an idea of different layouts you could do. What you may have done during your snow day or snow weekend or a few days in the snow. We recently had quite a bit of snow. So I'm going to take you through making the whole book. We'll start in the next video. We'll make the cover. We're not going to sew in the signature. We're going to do a binding with twine. I've done that before. There's a video on my channel. Very simple, so you don't have to sew anything. You don't have to go find a large needle or wax thread or anything else. A little bit of twine, maybe some crochet thread, that would work. Any strong type of string. And we'll bind the book with that. And we'll be finished. Okay, and this, like I said, this will be be one of the gifts that you choose in the next giveaway when we reach 600 subscribers. So please hit the subscribe button and the like button and leave me a comment below if you have any other ideas on books you'd like to see me make, subjects, something for the summer, something for the spring, any special book you want to make. Okay, so this is Pat in the paper closet, and I'll see you next time. Bye.